Hi beauties, welcome to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. For today we're going to be doing a review on Freetress Equal Valencia wig. I've been seeing this going around. It's only like $14.99 right now. So if this is a banger, you definitely should go out and get it. So if you are interested in seeing more about this wig, then please stay tuned. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed and become a part of the family. Thank you guys so much for your support. Don't forget to share these videos, let other people see these reviews and see, is it worth getting this wig? I'll let you know. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Alright beauties, so let's go ahead and get started on this review. Now I know I'm looking a little extra, but I actually did the Bratz Doll challenge. So if you do want to see the video on creating this look for the Bratz Doll challenge and how I measured up, did I do good? Did I nail it? You guys let me know on the next video. So let's go ahead and get started on this unit. So this is the Freetress Equal 5-inch lace part wig. This is how it looks on the lady on the card. Looks really cute. It is the color 2. It's curling iron safe up to 400 degrees. Let's go ahead and get this thing open. Now you're gonna hear some snoring. Literally my whole family has fallen asleep on the couch and they all snore. So I'm sorry if you guys hear that. Okay, so you can see this is the unit here. You see what I'm saying as far as this paper part? I thought this is usually inside the wig, so I'm hoping this isn't a used unit, but let's go ahead and keep opening and see. This is how the carton looks. This is connected. That's how it's gonna look on the model. Comes in a bunch of different colors. So if I like it, I'm gonna try and get it in some other colors as well. Here is the 5-inch parting here. There is no lace to cut, so it just comes just like this. It does have 2 combs on the front, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. This is how the inside of the unit looks. It feels like a yaki texture. So it fits kind of snug. So I would say straight out the gate, this is not big head friendly. If my head were any bigger, it would not fit right. It does tangle, but it's not tangling bad. It comes right out. But I did notice it was tangling, so I just wanted to point that out. See there, like that little snag. So I just wanted to make sure that you saw that. I actually really like this wig. It's a perfect just bone straight wig. I would probably go over it with the flat iron just to flatten it even a little bit more. But for now, I'm just gonna add a little bit of powder in the part to make it look a little more natural. Using this brush here, I'm gonna use this Sacha Buttercup powder. It's like a yellowish tone. And hopefully, this will help and not make it look crazy. Look at all that parting space. There is a lot of parting, and I do like that. But for now, working with what I have, I think that this is bomb. So I'm loving this unit. I'm thinking for $14.99, you can't go wrong. So I'm definitely gonna order this in some other colors. It's really long, so you do not want to mess around with it too much. So you guys can try to see the length. I want you guys to be able to see. how long that is. Not big head friendly. Does tangle. Not too bad, but it does tangle. No shedding so far, none at all. And the parting looks great. So yeah, I would definitely recommend this wig. It's only $14.99. Yaki texture. The length is about 26 inches. It's really nice. It feels good running your fingers through it. So I would definitely recommend it and say go out and get Freetress Equal Valencia. It is bomb.com. So you guys let me know how you feel about this wig. Do you have this wig? Are you gonna go get this wig? If you're just looking for something that's cheap and bone straight, this, you will not go wrong. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, give me a thumbs up and don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know if there's anything that you would like me to do differently to make the review better for you, and let me know how you guys feel about this wig. Are you gonna cop it? Are you gonna spend that $14.99? I am. I'm about to get another one. I think this is really cute and a really good bargain. So you guys have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for watching my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, join the family. I'll have some more reviews coming for you guys very soon. I did order the new What Lace Celeste wig, so that's coming. So I can't wait to really review that one. I haven't done any of the What Laces yet, and I've been wanting to, so that's coming. And also I got this ponytail, so I wanted to go ahead and try that out as well. So just continue to stay tuned to my channel. I'll have more and more content for you guys. And if you're interested in makeup looks, I have a ton of makeup looks, and I have a video on this tutorial to look like a Bratz doll. You guys let me know how I did on the next video. Have a wonderful day. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye bye.